Hello everyone, Simon here from myforestmagicweb.com. Making this a small video about CAD-yen chart analysis and the results. It's going to be a very small video, only CAD-yen. So let's get started. This is the chart I made. When did I make that? Let me see, we'll open up. On 18 June. This is some sort of like a harmonic pattern. Now, this is what I teach in my webinars in earlier wave harmonic pattern, how to pinpoint. Now, my style of trading is just, it's like I call it the creative harmonic pattern trading. Creative means that you can see here, this is not a harmonic pattern which is already finished. Harmonic pattern, for example, this is like a butterfly pattern. It usually ends at point D here, and then you're supposed to trade it. Okay, this is what the conventional way, and this is what everybody else teach you out there. But what I found out and I learned is very, profitable and very, fascinating, that if you can pinpoint the point C and then start trading from there, because in the butterfly pattern from point C to D is a long distance. This is the biggest leg in the whole pattern, by the way, right? And then it is, to me, it's just a stupidity to wait until it gets to D just to trade a little bit, and then you may go up again. So why not, if you can pinpoint point C and then start trading, get to point D, and you make more than enough, and then don't even worry about trading from point D. Okay, so this is I found it very lucrative, and this is what I teach also, among many things. This is one of them. And then let me show you that how do I take entries using my Magic IV system. So on this 33-minute chart, I did not make the entry chart on this trade from my 7-minute chart, right? So I forgot that while I was making all this mumbo jumbo here, so I just missed that. But this was my first trade. You can see the order number here, the end numbers are 62. So this is my first trade on this pattern. It's my entry is here, my SL is here, and then it start moving up, and then I start getting in more and more. So now after this, what happened? The next trade on this pattern I took was this. Oh, come on. On the 26th, okay, you can clearly say that this order number is different. This is not the same one. So the same one was way below. Now this one from here, this order number is 51, and then it was a late entry. I supposed to get in here somewhere, but it's still, sometimes you here there, and then price start moving, and then sometimes I'm sleeping and not getting up on time, something like that. But still, the Magic IV system, like this one, it gives you, that here basically it was like bearish, and as soon as then the price start to do continuation, what I call, then you get in here, and this is how it is. And the third trade on this same thing was when yesterday. There are a couple of small charts, but I don't, I didn't make the charts for that. Small charts means small trades. But and then July 5th. Again, you can see this is order number 95. After the retracement, it goes up and then it retraces. Then it becomes bullish again and then fly. Okay, something like that. So whenever that happens, after when the retracement, let it go. When it start continuation, get in when you have your Magic IV setup, because it's like a very confirmed setup that now the price is going up again, and then going into red is almost impossible. I'm not saying that never happened. Yes, my SL hit a lot of times, but only for 12 pip each time. Okay, it is always like you make an entry here, you put an SL here. This is from 12 to 15 pip maximum. If you are late, it's 15. If you are exactly after a couple of candles, it's 12 pip. Always calculated. No more, no less, from 7-minute chart. So this is the third trade, and so far after that, where's that pattern stands? The final chart as of today on Friday when the market closed, we are here. So we started from here, our journey. My first trade was here, closed somewhere here when it started retracing. Then again, the second one I got in here, and then all the way went up, retrace again. Then the third one, I'm still here. Still here means you can see my trade here on this one. Then it might start to go up, and then market closed up here. right? So yeah, my trade is still alive, and I'm on break even, hoping that we will just continue and hit the final target on when the market opens up. So this is how anything like harmonic pattern or Elliott wave. This is basically nothing. It's Elliott wave exactly. Actually, it's like wave 1, 2, and then wave 3 is underway. Okay, it's gonna be 1.618 of this, but not according to this tool. According to the expansion tool, it's just a little bit different. But yeah, so this is how the CAD yen going along, very smooth, nice and clean. And other pairs, like for example, I have a lot of them just like that, but I'm going to make another video. But just to show you that, for example, this pound USD, it's here, but and I predicted when it was here that we're going to drop to the outer TL, then we drop. And then I had several short trades on pound USD. They are on my website, just like that. You're going down every time you retrace, and then start getting continuation, find the setup, and make the entry and put the SL, and that's it. That's all there is. So just wanted to show. So this is it for now. Today is Friday. I'm gonna go and make a weekly recap, a video for weekly recap for all the trades that happen during this week, and I'll post that one as well. Okay, so bye for now, and talk to you guys later.